Killer deal, guys. Big shout out to Llama Llama, Deal Team 6, Joe the Tool Guy for posting a video earlier. There's just a killer deal on this one. This one's from Ace Tool. Yeah, it's not Ace Hardware. It's still a good reputable brand or store. They did verify that it's a true it's a good company to order, basically. So this is the dewalt DCS 356C1 20 volt cordless multi-tool kits. You get 2 free batteries, guys. Don't wait for this video to end. Go ahead and order it before they sell out. It is on back order. It was shipped on April 3rd. I leave the link down below in the description section. You're basically going to get a free screw gun. This is a newer screw gun, the newer XR. And then you're going to get an impact wrench, guys. Go get them. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform by subscribers and likes. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And guys, it's $200. I guess that's really important, right? Yeah, it's $200. And yeah, it's a really good deal. So definitely check it out. Check it out. It's a good deal. It says right there, back order April 3rd. DW, yeah, product code. There's the product code right there. Add to cart. It's $200, guys. Go get them. You're getting a lot more. You're getting $400 worth of tools. At least, you know, because they're really good tools. All right. So we'll see you guys in the next one.